Designed in California, CNC Factory's fifth-generation CNC machines are a true feat of engineering. Boost your production with fewer manpower, less maintenance, and absolutely no thinking. Visit cncfactory.com for more information.
Welcome, everybody that's here. Great audience. My name is Chris Corrales with CNC Factory. I'm so excited to be here at the IWF Connect. Now, we're going to be talking about the working cell lean manufacturing today. After we show us a short video, we're going to be doing questions and answers. And if I don't get to every question or answer, we can follow up after the presentation. Let's get started. Hello, and thank you for visiting CNC Factory at the IWF Connect. My name is Chris Corrales, and I am so excited to share the power and ease of use of the new 5th generation working cell or lean manufacturing. Doing more with less labor, less overhead, and superior quality. Basically, making it easy and taking the experience needed and thinking out of the equation. Now, in this IWF Connect exhibit, we are using the Python XPR, upgraded with robotic labeling and marking. You're going to see what one employee can do in the new generation as the Python automatically loads and positions the material. Again, no heavy attributes from the operator. 5th generation has tons of driverless capabilities and communicates with the operator, allowing the experienced or highly skilled labor to be moved to more profitable tasks. The operator can select one sheet or several sheets to process with a touch of a finger. In the new 5th generation, driverless operations allows your CNC to do all the thinking. With upgraded robotic labeling, all your parts can have job identification, cabinet number, part name, barcode, and more applied robotically, removing the time-wasting stop sign. Another huge production booster is using Delucci vision marking tools. Your CNC will mark components with secondary production instructions such as what side to edge band or what side to install hidden fasteners. The operator goes from CNC directly to secondary production. This removes another stop sign and eliminates the human errors associated with trying to mark parts correctly. No thinking and no mistakes. Now, in just a minute, we're going to see 5G lean manufacturing with only one operator in this working cell. 5th generation allows this non-stop sheet production, freeing up the operator, or again, taking the thinking out of the equation, as the Python will continue processing material until all sheets are finished. The operator will simply select the working files or cabinets from the built-in library and go. Now, let's break down another stop sign that has been removed with driverless functions. After the first sheet is cut, the Python will unload all the cut parts. During this, we'll clean the spoil board with pressurized air and dust collection. Then, automatically load and start cutting the next sheet. In the past, operators would have to stop after each sheet, sweep and blow off the dust on the machine. Now all this is done within 30 seconds, and again eliminating the 10-minute operator stop sign. What used to take 2 or 3 experienced operators now only takes 1 in the new working cell. All the cut parts with instructions are delivered to the operator in manageable cut parts. Now, this is where the magic begins. The Python has done all the thinking, loading and unloading for the operator, making him a CNC rock star and ready for secondary production. All parts are perfectly identified and ready for post-production. Removing critical thinking and human errors in secondary production is key. All this is being done, including edge banding and hidden fastener insertion and material placement. All done with no mistakes and ready for assembly or flat packing. You can also see where, when needed, a second driverless CNC can be added to the current working cell still with one operator. Doing more with less, you quickly see the ROI of lean manufacturing with new 5th generation working cells. The operator is not taxed and can easily be replaced with another operator during his or her lunch times or being absent. This working cell also includes easy, fast assembly and flat packing capabilities using hidden fasteners. The single operator has the time to process automatic insertion into the cut parts with identifying marks. And again, no thinking, and a perfect production using the Scorpion LDR. Post-COVID has sped up the need for easy automation and robust capabilities with a limited workforce. During this video, the operator will be producing a flat pack or ready-to-assemble cabinet every 4 minutes. During a 7-hour production cycle, that's over 100 cabinets. And yes, I said 7 hours. Why not let them go home early? My name is Chris Corrales, and I want to thank you for watching. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Now, let's get started with some questions. And I see we already have some on from IWF. How many files? Let's go. Dawn, we are shopping for our second machine. Oh, thank you. Yes, thank you so much. Appreciate you looking to us for your second machine. You know, Dawn, to answer your question, our prices are fair and they are direct, and that's where we get factory direct pricing. We do not have multi-level sales teams. We do not have, you know, shipping and 2 or 3 layers of management in order to get a machine to you. So yes, our prices are direct. Thank you so much for that compliment. Yes, there is an IWF special. It's actually on the whole working cell. We are taking off $10,000, and that's to the end of this month. But contact our support team and they will give you all the great details on that. And again, Don, thanks for the question and the compliment. All right, we have Mason. Mason wants to know, what type of financing do we offer or do we recommend? You know, from one cabinet shop to another, a factory, mom and pop shop, it's all going to differ. From your traditional leasing, credit card, cash on hand, whatever the best vehicle for you. But there's also Easy Pay, which is something that is core to my value, and that's guaranteed financing. Listen, a lot of shops don't have, you know, the banking industry in their back pocket, and it's hard to get that type of automation without some assistance, or in this case, some guaranteed. So another thing to look at is the Easy Pay program, and you can talk to our customer service team on that. Thank you very much for the question. Bella, let me see, Bella. Thank you, Bella, so much. I appreciate it. Bella saying hi. Great company, been with us for many years. So honored. And man, he's just an awesome person to talk to, not only to work with, but also to talk to. He's definitely part of the CNC Factory family. Thank you, Bella. How many files can be loaded at one time? You know, again, a great question. It's been asked many times this week because, you know, in 5th generation, you don't have to load just one file at a time. Now, people that are new into CNC, to just bring you back, you know, your older CNC tech, where you might have a kitchen with 20, 25 sheets, you're going to have to load each file independently when the other one is done. So it becomes taxing on the operator. So taking a clipboard, marking off the different file numbers that you've already done gives room for error. Did you forget sheet number 10? Did we do sheet number 12 twice? In the new generation, 5th generation, you can load one file or all 25. Press the go button. It's going to start and continue through those files until you reach the end. That's the beauty of it. Driverless, let it go, let it do the thinking for you. Thank you for the question. Do we have bilingual Spanish support? Yes. Very, very much so. Our staff is very fluent bilingually in Spanish and a few in Italian, also French. So yes, we do have bilingual capabilities. In Spanish, we have a lot of videos as well. That is something that we have covered very well. Thank you for asking that. And again, when you call in for support, just let them know you want to speak in Spanish, Italian, or English. So thank you so much for that question. Yes. Okay, asking about Mason, the Easy Pay program is guaranteed. How does it work? Thank you so much for asking. I just talked about that just a minute ago. The Easy Pay program is guaranteed. So what you'll do is basically put about 40% down on your order. So, take a $40,000 machine, you're going to be really close to $20,000. The rest is paid over 3 years. And I believe the interest rate, and it does change, but I believe it's at 9%. So not only is it guaranteed, but it's at a very fair interest rate. And that was core to my value, to make sure we had a finance company that would do that and be fair to our wood shops and into the wood industry. Thank you. Any more questions on that? Feel free to give us a call, and we can go over the little things about it. In addition, on our website, we do have some videos for it as well. Thank you so much for asking. Do we use cabinet? Okay, yes. Was that Dave? Let's see here. I'm sorry, I know the question. I just forgot who asked it. They're using Cabinet Vision at their shop right now and wants to know if they can continue using that software. Cabinet Vision is great software. Yes, you can. There's some other great softwares out there as well that easily integrate into the CNC factory line of CNC machines. KCD software is another one, 5th generation capabilities as well. Microvellum is another one. So yes, to answer your question, yes, Cabinet Vision will integrate flawlessly into the system, including printing capabilities. And KCD software also has printing capabilities as well. So again, less thinking, more production, ease of use, 5th generation. Thank you. That's a great question. Bella, thank you. Machines are great. They're simple to work with. And Josh is great. Bella, thank you so much. Appreciate the compliments. And we feel the same about you. So thank you so much. In a second, I'm going to take one from social media. I have 3 here. But nevertheless, we have another one here. Can we also cut solid surface? This one's from Jason. Jason, absolutely. Solid surface like butter. In fact, your software is already in the system that is designed for countertop cutting. Again, like butter, no problem whatsoever. In addition, when you're dealing with solid surface, a lot of companies will go with a 12-foot length, simply because the 144 is usually a native size for solid surface. However, on the zoning, it is so flexible, and it's again on a touch screen. So if you're cutting solid surface 30 by 144, you can choose that size right from the beginning, right with the touch of a finger on your control center. It will automatically change the valves for the user and allow him to perform that cut efficiently and accurately. And we're running less than a minute, so I'll wrap this up. However, 10 minutes later, you might go right back into cabinets, go back into 4x8 mode or 5x10 mode with a touch of a finger. All your zoning valves change automatically for you. Let me see if I can squeeze one more in here. Ken, this is actually going to the zones. How many zones does a 4x8 Python have? It has 6 zones. Again, there's no levers like the old school where the operator needs to know the configuration to change the zones. It's visually at the screen itself. Touch of a finger, you can turn on 1, 2, or manipulate all 6 zones. Ken, thank you. So we're going to end this. Again, contact us. We'd love to get you a quote. Coffee is on me from Starbucks. We've gone through a lot of those. My name is Chris Corrales. Once again,